Hello and welcome to Fields BMW. This is Nathan with your Genius Team. And I'm sitting here in a very chilly 2019 530e, one of our iPerformance vehicles, in a nice, comfortable 60-degree cabin. Just want to show you how to set up preconditioning for your vehicle. So with your iPerformance vehicle, whether it be the X540e, the 330e, the 740e, or the 530e, you can precondition, provided you have sufficient battery charge, which we do, or you are connected to a level 2 charger, which is the 240 volt system. So we're going to press the menu button here. Brings up on the iDrive here. We're going to activate climate comfort, plan comfort climate. And as you can see, I've already kind of set it up here so that it can precondition for departure. And I have set up the departure times already in there. Now you can do this with 3 different departure times. Sorry, I'm trying to get the angle a little bit better here where you can see this with all the glare. Maybe that's a little bit better there. And you can kind of see that. You can go in, set your departure times, click on there, set the time you want it to, what days of the week, which I've already gone through here and set this up. And the vehicle will start to cool itself. Now I've set it to 60 degrees, and as I'm sitting in the vehicle, just because it's hot outside, but I'm sitting in the showroom activating this. Please, if you have any questions, come by and see us at 4285 Lakeland Park Drive here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida, just off exit 33 on I-4, or give us a call at 863-816-1234. Take care and have a nice day.